Just run. Just run.
What's up, guys? I'm back with another one, and bro, I can't believe what just happened. I just spun that boy. I'm like, bro. So yeah, me and Zeus just chilling right now, and we about to go to another black party. I don't know, the police shut this one down. They started shooting and stuff. So we about to go to another one. Vengeance. Hey y'all, so we finna roll out to this one spot now, finally, man. You already know what's going on, so just stay tuned. You know it's about to be a banger tonight. Yes, sir. Josh finna go spin this shit. I don't think he really is gonna spin it. He gonna spin that shit. I got. You said what, bro? Dog gonna hit that bitch. Just the fuck. I done seen him spin that bitch.
I did too.
Normally, like,
he just nervous, bro. It's nerve-wracking when people watching me. I don't care what nobody tells.
What?
Do that. Get him on.
He look like he a salute ass nigga, bro. Attention. Are you ready, Bobby Mario? Looking like Luigi head ass nigga. Boy, if you don't get that little nigga cut up. All these people for some fucking tires.
Shit, he the plug. Shit, this about to be a hookah lounge.
Oh. Packed in that be like, hey, you in the video now? Say something.
Yeah, I'm about to say when
I'm the interview. We're back with another YouTube video. You know, today we have this young fella. What's your name?
Depends on what you ask for.
All right, thank you. So the question for today is, what do you think about Josh Laurent?
Josh sucks, but I still love his ass.
Oh yeah. Next question is.
It's not no hate.
Next question is, can he spin it?
Oh, he working on it. Work in progress.
Yeah.
I still gotta give a shit. But
last question. When the last time you got some pussy?
Shit like a goddamn business. I won't keep that on file.
And we're back with another video of it. You know, today YouTube, I'm below this click as fuck. We got this little muskrat. What's her name?
Fuck you.
Little squirt, like I said. All right, we're gonna ask you some questions. How are you and what's your name? That one boyfriend you got with. What's your name? Oh hell no! It's time to go. Throw it up. Folk ain't in this bitch, nigga. Throw it up, nigga. Throw it up, nigga. Folk ain't in this bitch, nigga. Throw it up. Oh, niggas scared to throw they shit up in there. Nigga, dumbass, nigga. Damn, JSL, bitch, what? And he was going all counter. Yeah. This one the Mally. Alright, y'all, they finna go race right now, and we finna go watch them. Live your best life, man. You know what I'm saying? You having fun, have fun. You know, I'm still learning. Like, okay, look, it's easy to go in the little donuts, but I want to go wide. Like I want to swing in there section wide, go. Like, donuts is easy, bro. That's like the easiest thing, bro. Well, you gotta learn how to do that too, but still, it's easy. I'm trying to learn how to go wide with it. You know what I'm saying? So I'm still learning, man. But let's get into the races right now. Go. Feds. Joe. I mean, that's it. Oh! What's the deal, y'all? So we at this next race spot, man. We have to go. 12 came. I know y'all saw that, so we have to go run. They Here come everyone coming in. Everyone coming in now, man. You know what I'm saying? New spot alert. What's the deal, y'all, man? So I am back home right now. It's currently 4 in the morning, right? 4 in the morning. So I'm sitting here thinking, I'm like, dang, this junk like a movie. So I really do hope you guys do appreciate the car vlogs, man. You know what I'm saying? It's Monday in the morning, basically, and The weekend is basically over, man. It was a pretty lit weekend, honestly. It was a lit banger weekend. Mexico hot right now, you know. We's going crazy in Mexico this weekend, so Mexico hot right now. Y'all know, man. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. If you did, like, comment, subscribe if you're new. I know I might be trying to talk low. I'm not trying to wake my mom up or whatever, because, you know, it's 4 in the morning, basically. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new, man. Turn on post notifications so you don't miss a banger. Of course, I might do a little giveaway soon. I'm going to be giving away this right here. Oh, snap. Here we go. I'm going to be giving away this right here. So if you think I should give away, smash the like button. Comment down below if I should. Hey, y'all. I need an oil change because I was running on 0% oil. Maybe one day I could bring, you know who I made I missed my ex video, but maybe I could bring her to the races with me one day and y'all see her again, you know what I'm saying? Maybe y'all might see her soon, who knows? Ooh. Y'all know that's lucky my girl, so whoever trying to mess with her can't even mess with her, and whoever is messing with her had to swim for a little bit, but bringing my girl back because, boy, you better get the fuck away from my girl. Ooh. Because we're going to be going to the races together and say, why am I talking like this? Let me let y'all go, man. Watch the next video or watch an older video, man. So, I'm going to catch y'all in the next video. Ooh.